dragging cells to select them can be a very long-winded way to do it. So instead of that, I'll just take you back to the top with Control and Home. You get the idea. Shortcuts can be much quicker. If I want to go down to the last row in the spreadsheet that I've written on, Control and down arrow will take me down there. Control up arrow will take me back. If I want to select as I go down, hold down 2 keys with your left hand, Control and Shift, and then hit down arrow. Excellent shortcut. So let's pop back to the top, Control Home. If I want to select all of the columns that I've been writing in as well as all the rows, Control Shift END, the end key, end. It's on the top right of your keyboard. Brilliant shortcut, Control Shift End. Now, I'll be honest with you, there are times when I use this and it goes wrong. So I want to demonstrate what goes wrong, why it goes wrong, and what you can do about it. So in this case, when I use Control Shift End, it's overshot several columns to the right. So what I could do about that is keep my hand on Control Shift and then just left arrow back in the direction it's overshot. And that would be brilliant because that will show me then the correct area that's been selected. The reason why it's done it is because at some point of time, somebody has written on the spreadsheet in the columns to the right. Even if they've deleted what they wrote, Excel still kind of remembers that. So the same thing applies. Sometimes it overshoots downwards, Control Shift End, and I just keep my fingers on Control and Shift and click the up arrow to bring it back to where I want. It's much quicker than selecting by dragging. I recommend these shortcuts to you. I hope you found that useful.